One of the most common things that I hear from my students about taking a public speaking class is how afraid they are to give a public speech. And this might be one of your biggest concerns in taking this class as well. In fact, public speaking tends to rank really consistently among the top of fears of most Americans, alongside snakes and spiders and things like that. So it's important to know that you are not alone in dealing with this nervousness surrounding public speaking. But it's also important to recognize that things can and probably will go wrong during your presentation. So it's important to know how you can deal with those situations. So today we are going to be talking about speech anxiety and how you can speak confidently. Within this, we are going to talk about what communication apprehension is, some myths about communication apprehension, how all anxiety is not the same, how you can begin to deal with your communication apprehension, and specific things that you can do to reduce your nervousness. So first, let's talk about communication apprehension. One of the most important things to recognize is that other people come to know who we are through our words. Whether that's on a stage or whether that's in a conversation, we learn about each other through the things that we say to one another. So when we talk about communication apprehension, we are not only talking about public speaking. Communication apprehension can be defined as the fear or anxiety associated with either real or anticipated communication with another person. There's lots of different social situations, from job interviews to dating to public speaking, that this can apply to. And this apprehension oftentimes comes from the evaluation that comes from other people. And our bodies can't distinguish between physiological and physical threats. It's having a hard time figuring out that this is not an actual physical threat. And so it sends our bodies into the fight or flight response. So our body's natural response to stress is this fight or flight syndrome. And so let's actually watch a quick video about fight or flight and about stage fright. So go ahead and click over to that video.